Hello, PokeTubers! Please excuse the mess in the background. Anyway, I got a package in the mail today from Japan, and I got another Hail Blizzard booster box. So really excited for this. I am really hoping for a full art Groudon. This guy's really nice. I got it for like really cheap, and it says, "Dear Melody Son." We thank you for your purchase and quick payment. My 9-year-old and 6-year-old sons love this cards, so they're Japanese, so they want to play with them. I also cannot help buying them. If you have friends or family who are looking for goods from Japan, please let me know. We have extensive networks and distribution of goods, blah blah blah, right? And he included a Lucario Holo, Jellicent, Meowth, and these like stamps and these papers of Pokemon, which is really awesome, and a black and white red collection pack. I have not opened one of these before, so I'll open this first. I'm really excited for this. Hopefully we can get a nice holo or something. So yeah, let's see what we get. I think this is from like Noble Victories and stuff. Or in Japanese. We got a tin pole, a mask, a Fliptini holo. That's really cool. Awesome. This is the Fliptini holo from Noble Victories in Japanese. I really like the Japanese holos simply because they're awesome. So that's really cool. I got this for free. So Cryogonal and Behem and a advertisement. So thanks a lot. He's probably not. He's not gonna see this, but thank you to him. And now for the box. This is my third box of Hail Blizzard, and I've still yet to pull my favorite card of all time, Groudon EX Full Art. But I would really like to pull my favorite card. I pulled 2 Groudon EXs in the last box, and a Kyurem EX, which I have sold already. And I got this really cheap. It's perfect condition. The last one got dented in the mail, but this he really took his time. And I almost didn't get this because we had to sign for it and stuff. Because it's coming from Japan, and it's a big box, so yeah, there we go. And it has 20 packs, like always. So I'll open up a couple packs. This part, yeah, hang on. So yeah, here we go. Here's the first pack. We have, that's really cold, because it came in, it's really cold outside, Petalil, Vanillish, Pawniard, Lucario Holo, and a Bronzong. Would you look at that? So, nice Lucario Holo there, second pack. I really like this set. You all know I do. I keep saying that every time I buy a new box. We have a... if I pulled a shiny from this box, I don't think that's going to have a Wigglytuff, Ralts, Cubchoo. Yeah, baby! Lilligant. I could never pull this. I finally have the complete set minus the full arts now because of this. Yes! Okay, and my mom's at Target now, and she's getting me some goodies in the mail. Oh, that was a fail. So we have Lampent, Riolu, that Vanillix holo, and another Lilligant. Are you kidding me? I couldn't get a Lilligant out of 2 boxes, and now I already have 2. So we have 2 holos, and this video is kind of long, so I'll just open up one more pack real quick here, and then I'll end this part. So we have a Bronzong, Fungus, Pikachu, and a Regigigas EX. Yes! Didn't have this one, so that's amazing. I have pulled Groudon and Kyurem so many times, and I never pulled this one. So thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. This is a really awesome EX pull here, and I finally got the Lilligant ×2, and it came with a bunch of extras, and I was not expecting anything like that. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and favorite, and check out my other channel and eBay auctions. Thank you very much, and have a great day, everyone.